BYD surpasses 70,000 vehicle production milestone in Thailand. BYD, the world's leading electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer, has produced its 70,000th vehicle at its fully owned assembly plant in Rayong Province, Thailand, just 16 months after commencing operations in July 2024. This achievement underscores BYD's rapid expansion into Southeast Asian markets and highlights Thailand's growing role as a key EV production hub. Rapid production growth. The Rayong facility, which has an annual capacity of 150,000 vehicles, reached its initial 10,000-unit milestone in November 2024. Production then accelerated significantly, with an additional 60,000 units assembled over the following 12 months. The 70,000th vehicle, a BYD Ceylon 6 DMI plug-in hybrid SUV, also known as the Song Plus DMI in China, rolled off the line on November 27th and was delivered to a Thai employee. Avoiding EU tariffs through local assembly, this milestone is strategically important because vehicles assembled in Thailand using completely knocked-down (CKD) kits qualify for reduced import tariffs when exported to Europe. This summer, BYD began shipping Thai-made EVs to the EU to leverage these benefits, enhancing its competitiveness in the European market. CKD production and local manufacturing. The CKD method involves shipping vehicles in parts for final assembly in the destination country. Automakers use this to lower import costs and support local economies. BYD's investment in Thailand is a clear demonstration of this strategy. The 960,000 square meter Rayong facility currently assembles 5 models: the BYD Atto 3 Yuan Plus, the BYD Dolphin, the BYD Seal, the BYD Seal 5 DMI, and the BYD Ceylon 6 DMI. Cumulative deliveries in Thailand. As of October 2025, BYD's cumulative deliveries in Thailand have reached 100,000 vehicles, proving the success of the expansion. This rapid production growth demonstrates BYD's commitment to international expansion and positions Thailand as a crucial manufacturing base for the company. This also showcases how strategic use of CKD assembly can navigate trade barriers and accelerate EV market penetration. The success of BYD's Thailand plant is a model for future overseas expansion, emphasizing the importance of local production in the global EV landscape.